Tired of traffic jams and high travel costs? Smart travel is here. Foldable electric bikes give you a quicker, more affordable way to get around, whether for daily commuting or weekend adventures. Beat the traffic and get to your destination faster. Foldable electric bikes allow you to zip through busy streets without the delays of congestion, saving you time on your daily commute. Say goodbye to rising fuel costs and expensive parking fees. With a foldable electric bike, you get a cost-effective alternative to driving, no gas, no parking, and no worries about rising costs. Not only do foldable electric bikes save you time and money, they're incredibly convenient. With their compact design, they fit easily into small spaces, whether in your home, office, or public transport. Foldable electric bikes are not only more affordable upfront, but they're also low maintenance. No costly repairs, no complicated upkeep, just simple, reliable, and economical travel. Smart travel means saving time, money, and hassle. With Eelo foldable electric bikes, you get a smarter way to move, wherever life takes you.